Kling AI's innovative approach to video creation uses artificial intelligence to simplify the video production process, making it easier and more cost-effective for small businesses to create high-quality video content. With Kling AI, you can create stunning video content in a matter of minutes, without any prior experience or expertise. Our AI-powered platform takes care of all the heavy lifting, from script writing to editing and post-production. One of the most exciting features of Kling AI is its ability to analyze your target audience and create personalized video content that resonates with them. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales, Kling AI's AI-powered platform can help. Kling AI also integrates seamlessly with all of your existing marketing tools and platforms, making it easy to incorporate video content into your existing marketing strategy. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share a success story with you. One small business that saw incredible results using Kling AI's video magic is XYZ Inc. By using Kling AI, XYZ Inc. was able to increase their website traffic by 50% and boost their sales by 20%. But what's even more impressive is that they were able to achieve these results without breaking the bank or sacrificing quality. Using Kling AI, XYZ Inc. was able to create high-quality video content that resonated with their target audience, without having to invest in expensive equipment or hire a team of professionals.